Hello people, welcome back to my channel, and today's topic is that how do we bag an internship. Okay, so we are basically starting with a playlist of internships कि internships के कौन सी type के आप कर सकते हैं और how to approach them. So in today's video we'll be talking about how do you get an internship, right? How do you bag an internship. तो इसमें 3 मेजर पार्ट्स होंगे. सबसे पहला होगा दैट हाउ टू लोकेट सोर्सेज ऑफ इंटर्नशिप्स, दैट इज़ हाउ टू नो कि आपको इंटर्नशिप्स कहाँ मिल सकती हैं, कौन सी नई इंटर्नशिप्स चल रही है, आपको पता कैसे चलेगा, राइट. दूसरा जो टॉपिक होगा आज का दैट विल बी दैट हाउ डू यू अप्लाई टू एन इंटर्नशिप सो दैट योर चांसेस ऑफ गेटिंग इनटू इट आर हायर, राइट. एंड थर्ड विल बी हाउ टू ऑल्टर योर रेज्यूमे इन अ वे जो कि ज़्यादा अपीलिंग लगे, राइट. ओके, सो लेट्स गेट स्टार्टेड. सबसे पहला है हाउ टू लोकेट द सोर्सेज. सबसे पहला सोर्स जो है, जो कि बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट है, दैट इज़ इंस्टाग्राम, राइट. इंस्टाग्राम पे आजकल सब लोग ही बहुत ज़्यादा एक्टिव रहते हैं, राइट. सो सेम गोज़ फॉर द कंपनीज और NGOs जिनके अंडर आप इंटर्नशिप करना चाहते हो. सो मेक श्योर दैट वट एवर फील्ड यू आर इन, उसकी एक दो रिलेटेड कंपनीज या NGOs को आप इंस्टा पे फॉलो कर रहे हो, ताकि यू आर अवेयर कि कौन सी इंटर्नशिप्स की वैकेंसीज निकल रही हैं या विच organization is planning to launch a new internship program, so that you are in advanced aware of that, and you can actually apply on time and get into it, of course. Okay, so the second most important platform to look for an internship or a job for that matter is LinkedIn. LinkedIn is a platform जहाँ पे आप अपनी professional profiles बना सकते हैं. So how to actually log into it and maintain your LinkedIn profile? If you want a video on that, please let me know and I'll make a video. So until then just know that LinkedIn पे जो है, आप अपनी प्रोफाइल बना के अपने जो फील्ड से रिलेटेड लोग हैं उनको अटैच कर सकते हैं अपनी प्रोफाइल के साथ, वो भी आपके. So you can get to know about what internships are going on and what internships are about to start in the near future, and you can be aware of their vacancies or requirements or any such. Okay, more such platforms can be just mailing to the teacher or to the person who you want to work with. For instance, if you are a research subject student and you want to work under some teacher from your university, just go on to the website of the university, look up for the teacher and their email ID, get their email ID, mail them that you want to work under them. If there is any ongoing project that you can work under, just mail them about that, and if there is any such thing going on, they will let you know, they will mail back to you, and that is one way you can approach an internship. Okay, another thing is that if you are very new and you have no prior experience, I would suggest that follow some NGOs and which are well reputed in your area or in your field for that matter, and just look upon their websites or their Instagram handles or Facebook pages, that if they are hiring some new interns or team members. Now comes the time to apply. Now while applying, we have to keep 2 to 3 things in our mind ताकि हम कोई mistake ना करें which can actually compromise our selection into that internship. सबसे पहला है how to answer the questions which are asked from you. For जो mostly जो companies होती हैं वो गूगल फॉर्म के या ऐसे किसी भी फॉर्मेट में क्वेश्चनर्स बना के रखती हैं, इंटर्नशाला पे भी. फॉर इंस्टेंस इफ यू आर अप्लाइंग, तो मोस्ट ऑफ द कंपनीज और NGOs व्हाट डू दे डू इज दे एक्चुअली मेक एन क्वेश्चनर या ऐसे कुछ, जहाँ पर वो आपकी स्किल्स के बारे में पूछते हैं आपसे पूछते हैं दैट व्हाई यू इंटरेस्टेड इन दैट इंटर्नशिप और व्हाई डू यू थिंक यू शुड बी कंसिडर्ड फॉर अ रोल. सो मेक श्योर यू आर आंसरिंग द क्वेश्चन in a quite particular way, right? Whatever they've asked you, only answer that. Don't be vague in your answers, right? जैसे कि अगर उन्होंने पूछा है that why do you think you should be considered for this role, right? So just say that because I've been studying this subject and I'm quite interested into it and I believe I can do well in the role. I look forward towards learning. Okay, so while interview, keep 2 to 3 things in mind which are important. जैसे कि सबसे पहला है कि be confident, whatever you know, whatever you don't know, just think that you are, deserving for this internship. Okay, always keep that in mind. No matter you know a question or not, don't leave it. Always address it in some way or the other. Alright, so there are certain more tips and tricks which you can use in your interviews and can function well in them. If you want a separate video on that, please comment down and let me know, and I'll make a separate video on that. Now, even if you make a mistake during your interviews, don't get hassled up, right? It's fine to make a mistake. We're all humans. Now we move upon to कि आप अपने resume को कैसे ऑल्टर कर सकते हो ताकि वो ज़्यादा इंटरैक्टिव अपीलिंग लगे. ओके, सो first of all, make sure that your resume is maximum 1 to 1.5 pages, not more than that. Okay, लंबे लंबे जो resumes होते हैं कोई नहीं पढ़ता है उनको, and they are very monotonous to even look at. Now, to make a basic resume, जैसे कि most of us have just started our professional lives, so we don't know what to put upon our resume. None of us here, we have been at that place, and it's fine to be there. Now, you can look up for templates of resumes on MS Word और even on Google Doc. जब आप Google Docs खोलते हैं तो वहाँ पर ऊपर templates सारे होते हैं. You can choose from them or any such app for that matter. Now, if you can include a photograph of you, it will be really interactive to look at. Then, some of the examples of recommended resumes are. Up resumes may make sure that you are highlighting your skills. Okay, you are actually writing your skills quite clearly so that they are evident as soon as the professor or any organizer is looking upon that resume. Okay, so make it in the form of pointers and don't write passages resume. Okay, then there are more such tips and tricks which can make your resume more powerful. If you want a separate video on that, let me know and I'll make. So one more important thing here is that don't forget to alter your resume as per the job requirements. Okay, whatever the job you are applying for, चाहे वो organizational sector हो, चाहे वो NGO हो, उसके हिसाब से particularly अपना resume हमें थोड़ा alter करना चाहिए. जैसे कि if they are asking for a role of a leader or a management role, so you should write कि आपकी management skills अच्छी हैं या आपकी communication skills अच्छी हैं, that you should mention in your resume. Okay, people, so that was it for today's video, and I hope it's useful in some way. We'll meet in our next video. Till then, bye bye, take care, subscribe to my channel if you like the content, comment down whatever you felt about the video, and if you'd like more such videos. And thank you for watching. Bye bye.